Hello, tutor and classmates. It's a pleasure to be here without you. My turn is to explain the effect of audiobooks using ELF students fluency to better and before after I read this article, the abstract and all documents, methods and other than helps to be better every day. And according to the step by step in our process to be a better teachers, I may compromise too and to give and make this video using this app. Okay, I am point out of how I consider or determine the methodology used in this present article. I consider that the reader is a fundamental methodologic and for me determinate fundamental tools, because these audiobooks help to understand better every day. If you are connected of this device, helps to have better knowledge about the different topics, and this is fundamental, and it allows us to learn through our audios or videos or words or new vocabulary during our learnings. I recognized the technology helps in a teaching methods, since with MP3 the sites that I mentioned before, and another like YouTube or other websites and allow to acquire new knowledge as students of a second language, and we must be constantly connect with this device, okay, to can be help others as is my son. okay I am learning now, baby. And it's fundamental to recognize that if we allowed every day and be connected with this device and audiobooks is a new form to get more knowledge. These audiobooks and okay, I think this is the easiest way to learn English nowadays, because this study is more than everything person can everything is possible. This study is not everything person, and many of us study is because we also want to know the different culture that they have and now they think. Okay, the method used by the author for me is also adequate, and as she mentioned, other activities should be incorporated, such as talking about the topic here in order to learn for knowledge of other people. Personally, this teaching for me in order to learn to knowledge, I compare these methods with the methods of teaching audiovisual methodologies, each skills, such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing is traded on touch separately, because reading and reading skills are not neglected, but the focus through remain on listening and speaking. Yeah, dialogue is the main features of the audio and lingual programs. This methodology truly allows students to have the ability to be prepared and to have the contact with the people from the others speaking countries, because it shapes their listening and allow them to have the ability to have a more fluent conversation. These methods helps everybody, yeah, because sometimes and exceeds blind men, yeah, that they don't have the skill or ability to see, yeah, but it's an opportunity to listen, yeah, and at the same time read the questions and have a new knowledge, new vocabulary, new situation, because they are history about different terminology. And for me, it's a great term, a great subject, and we must be every day complete this part of the time that we have to develop all that we need to reach. Okay.